In today's video, we're going to troubleshoot the issue of colour or black ink not printing on your HP DeskJet printer. Whether you're using a DeskJet 2600, 2700 or 3700 series, I've got several solutions that can help get your printer back to working properly. We'll start with the quickest fixes that can often resolve the issue right away before moving on to more in-depth solutions. First, let's check the ink levels in your HP DeskJet printer. Low ink cartridges can cause colour or black ink not to print properly. Navigate to your printer's settings or check the software on your computer for ink levels and replace any cartridges that are low. Next, inspect the ink cartridges to ensure they are properly installed. Sometimes a cartridge isn't fully seated, which can stop it from working. Open the cartridge access door, press down on each cartridge to see if it clicks into place, and then close the door. Another helpful step is to clean the printhead. Over time, it can get clogged, which affects print quality. Access your printer's maintenance menu and find the Clean Printhead option. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the cleaning cycle. Sometimes updating the printer firmware can resolve printing issues. Manufacturers release updates to fix known problems and improve functionality. Connect your printer to the internet and check for any available updates through the printer software. Consider resetting your HP DeskJet printer, which can often fix printing errors. Turn off the printer, unplug it for a couple of minutes, and then plug it back in and turn it on to see if the issue persists. Another thing to examine is the print settings. Make sure that your printing preferences, like grayscale or black and white settings, aren't unintentionally blocking colour or black ink from being used. Adjust accordingly in your printer settings. If none of these fixes work, try running a diagnostic report from your printer. This report will give you more detailed information on what's happening inside your printer, helping you decide if further service is needed. If your HP DeskJet is still not printing colour or black ink after trying these solutions, it's possible there's a deeper issue such as a clogged printhead or a problem with the cartridges. You can explore genuine replacement cartridges or professional cleaning kits linked in the description. Don't forget to leave a comment with your experiences, give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips. Check out our next video on maintaining your printer for optimal performance.